y equals x squared. What is the slope of this equation? It does not have a single given slope like a linear equation. However, you can find the slope at any given point using derivative. So the way you take a derivative of a number is you take the exponent, multiply x by it, and then subtract that exponent by 1. So for example, the slope of x squared would be 2x, and you will notice this pattern if you take the differences between the square numbers. 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 16 minus 9 is 7, and 25 minus 16 is 9. The derivative, of course, could also be taken for equations that are not x squared. For example, y equals 2x squared plus 5. So the 5 does not interfere with the slope. This could be interpreted as 5x to the 0. You multiply that by 0 and you get, 0. And also 2x squared. So you multiply the entire 2x times 2, which you would get the slope of 4x. This isn't only for x squared. You can take x to any other power and take the derivative. For example, with 2x cubed, you would take the entire thing and multiply it by 3, getting you to 6x, and subtract 1 from the 3, getting you to 6x squared as the final answer. This is a longer example combining all of the previous things that I had gone over. So 5x cubed plus 7x squared minus 2x plus 6. First, you would get rid of the plus 6 since that is x to the 0 and that multiplied by 0 is 0. Then for minus 2x, that is x to the first, so you multiply by 1 and you get 2. And then you subtract from the 1 and get x to the 0, which is 1, so that is just minus 2. Then for 7x squared, you would take the 7 and multiply it by 2, getting 14x. And then you would subtract 1 for the 2, getting 14x to the first, or just 14x. And then for 5x cubed, you would just take the 5 times 3, subtract 1 from the 3, and get 15x squared.